Okay guys, we're checking and testing the new fuel injector rail with the new fitting on it. You can see it's dummied up here, and I'm shooting a single pulse through it right now. It's not leaking, so my brazing seems to have held. And you can see I'm cranking a little over 43 psi right now. So let me switch it. I don't know if you can hear that, but you can see it spraying down the tube, and the back side of it is drier than a popcorn fart. And I'm tired of fucking around with this thing, but at least I got it proofed out to where you get some idea of how to build it if you're gonna do it without that GM Multech fuel rail. And you're gonna have to have a few skills to make it, but if you can braze, you can do it. It's a little difficult because the steel piece of the nose of that thing, which you can see in the still photos, has to be brazed to the brass, and you have to have the right brazing flux and the right brazing temperature, and if you don't, it'll never bond. So it was a little difficult to get the right one, but I think I figured it out. The reason there's only one injector post on here right now is because I got wise after I screwed up my other one by building the entire thing and then testing it, and that was a mistake. So this one, I did it as a single prototype on the main rail, which is what it's going to be. It's all brass, except for the tit that's on there came off of a 30X100 fuel rail. And I'll put the rest of them on. We'll test it out. Right now it's not leaking, and I'm happy about that. Also, I'm happy about the fact that my two clamps are holding with that little acrylic hose in between as a means of keeping it attached to the rail. And I'm happy about that too. Otherwise it would pop off and fly around and I get a face full of cleaner. Alright, this is 60 degrees below zero for 60degreev6.com and my project on the FrankInjector. See ya.